is your favorite curse word?
Tweety is sweetie 19@gmail.com.
Are you serious?
The first time when I came to Bombay, we went to this hotel Marriott, and there I saw him standing. I was just blown over. I was like, my God, and I always had a crush on him. God, I want that him to say that I am proud of you. The second lockdown has been crazy. I mean, अभी लग रहा है कि बस हो गया अभी. This should get over, and एक time के बाद कितना positivity रखेगा इंसान. Hi everyone, this is Madhurima Tuli, and you're watching me on FIFA Foods TV.
So how are you? सबसे पहले तो
good.
FIFA Foods पे आपका स्वागत है, मधुरिमा.
Thank you
After
so
very
much for
long
having
time.
me. Yes, after really long.
So how are you? What are you doing these days? Lockdown एक बार फिर से हो चुका है. How are you spending your time? Reels तो you are making. Reels पे तो आप
Reels
काफी
are-
active है. Apart from that.
Apart from that, actually, there's nothing. I am now, the second lockdown has been crazy. I mean, अभी लग रहा है कि बस हो गया अभी. This should get over and things should get back to normal because, I mean, you cannot sit at home for so long. I mean, कहीं घूमने भी नहीं जा सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. टीवी देख देख के बोर हो गए, पढ़ पढ़ के बोर हो गए. There's no work happening, so it's been now. I mean, अभी थोड़ा frustration level थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. So I think now I think let's just pray to God that it should get over as soon as possible. Yeah, that's what is happening.
तो मधुरिमा आप मुंबई में है, right?
मैं मुंबई में हूँ.
हाँ. तो आप अकेले रहते हो या मतलब फैमिली है?
No, I stay with my family. So last year जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था तब तो काफी मस्तीगिरी कर ली हम लोगों ने. हम लोग खाना बनाया, अलग अलग डिशेस बनाए, सब कुछ किया, डांस वीडियोस डाले, सब कुछ कर लिया. अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि I mean because वो थोड़ा सा सैडनेस आ रही है अभी अंदर. I mean कितना पॉजिटिव एक टाइम के बाद कितना पॉजिटिविटी रखेगा इंसान. But still, it's. I mean, luckily, touch wood, by God's grace, things are going fine. हम लोग सब ठीक हैं, सही सलामत हैं, और that's what matters. So otherwise, yeah, it's going good so far, so good.
Okay, so Madhurima, without wasting further of your time, I would quickly go up. Go to my segments that I have for you. I hope you enjoy my segments. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. All you have to do is just be honest with whatever I'm gonna ask you. Very normal questions about you. Okay?
All
so
right.
at home और घर से ज़्यादा comfortable जगह और कोई नहीं होता है. So you are blue hot seat, है ना?
Blue hot. This is a blue hot seat. Yes. Red hot seat की जगह blue hot seat. Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna quickly start. Okay, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Yes. Shoot.
Okay. Yes. Heels or flats?
What?
Heels or flat?
Both. Actually, I love sandals. I love shoes, so I like both of them.
Okay. What is the most coolest thing in your room?
In my room, I think right now it's going to be my cat Gabru. He's going to be the coolest
thing. Okay. Okay. What is your favorite curse word?
I honestly don't like cursing. I mean, I don't like the curse words, honestly.
Yeah, but then there are times when you use it, right?
I think.
Okay.
It just comes naturally. Okay.
Okay. What profession other than your own would you like to attempt?
Other than my own, there's nothing actually. I mean, I never thought about anything else other than this. I mean, I definitely, when I was younger, I used to think of air hostess and all that, but otherwise, I blank. I mean, there's nothing. I mean, maybe a choreographer, maybe a dance teacher. Yeah.
Okay. Trendy or timeless?
Trendy or timeless? I think timeless, something which I can. I mean, timeless is always trendy, I believe.
Okay. What is the last picture that you took? You'll have to send that picture to us.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
No, I'm not. Oh, no, I'm not. Just because you're using your phone right now for this interview doesn't mean you're not going to send it. So just be honest.
Oh
What is
no!
it?
Oh no! I'm
What
gonna
is
send
it?
it to you. Okay, done. It's just that because
Okay.
we were having this interview, so I took this picture only. So you can just post this picture.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's
Okay. Cool.
nice.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Who is the first person that you call when you get bored? Like when you're very bored?
Uh, See, earlier I had a lot of friends, but I mean, strangely now I've become so introvert and so into myself that I, if I'm bored or I'm not doing anything, I come with because of this lockdown. Actually, I just come to my family and chat with them here, sit with them. हम लोग TV देख लेते हैं, कुछ films देख लेते हैं, कुछ गाना सुन लेते हैं, and then I go back to my room again and watch my shows. So I mean, I don't really, I mean, ऐसे लास्ट मोमेंट कॉल दो तीन फ्रेंड्स हैं बट दे नॉट फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री सो या
Okay. What was your first email address?
What was my first email address? Tweety is sweetie19@gmail.com.
Are you serious? When did you make this? Tweety with Sweetie.
Tweety is sweetie. I used to love those tweeties, you know. So I made
Okay.
that. Because of that, I made this ID only. Tweety is sweetie19@gmail.com. That was, I
Oh
think,
my
when I
God.
was 17 or 18 maybe.
I think सोनू के ट्विटर के स्वीटी कहीं ना कहीं ये आपकी ईमेल एड्रेस को मैंने देखा होगा, वहीं से इंस्पायर्ड है ये.
But Tweety काफी लोगों की email address है. I mean, let me tell you this. There are many people
Okay,
who
I have no clue about it.
Yeah, I've seen
So
it because
you're
मैंने
not
बनाया है ना. अभी बंद हो गया है वो.
you.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Okay. Okay. Nice, bata. Okay.
Yeah.
Who has made you starstruck?
Hrithik Roshan, definitely. I mean, the first time when I came to Bombay, we went to this hotel Marriott, and there I saw him standing. I was just blown over. I was like, my God! And I always had a crush on him. I always loved him, and I saw him right in front of me. But of him, yeah. I mean, I think it was that my first ever crush.
Nice. But you know,
Bombay.
these days, मतलब I
Yeah.
think बहुत सारे actresses को ऋतिक रोशन बहुत पसंद है. Actually वो वाकई बहुत handsome है.
क्योंकि पता है जिस एज में हम उनका कहो ना प्यार आया था ना, उस एज के हम सारे लोग हैं. So yeah, exactly. दिल वालों, दिल मेरा. So
Don't worry, hold. Madhurima, hold this singer in you. I'm gonna bring that out as well.
No,
You have to
I'm not
sing.
singing here on this platform.
No,
I'm
you have
sorry.
that's a different segment that I have for you. So we'll
Okay.
quickly wrap
Okay.
up with this and we'll go on that. Okay.
All
So
right.
yeah,
हाँ.
कहो ना प्यार है देख के आप बड़ी हुई हैं.
हाँ, correct.
और जब सामने दिखे तो oh my God, ooh la la.
Yeah, ooh la la, oh my God, मतलब, oof.
Okay, what is the sexiest accent for you?
Sexiest accent, I think that's gonna be British. It's very different. I mean, you don't understand sometimes क्या बोल रहे हैं वो लोग.
Okay. What is your secret talent?
My secret talent. Talent कभी कोई secret रखता है क्या? I mean, I think they just
हाँ, कभी
open it.
होता है ना, आपको भी नहीं पता होता है, बट आपके अंदर एक छुपा हुआ छोटा सा एक पोएट होता है
Maybe
या एक सिंगर होता है या
singing
फिर
तो I
कोई
enjoy.
शैतान होता है.
शैतान. I mean, I think
अरे,
मुझे
I'm
singing.
giving an example. Don't go there.
I am not.
अच्छा, कभी खुराफाती रहे हो?
खुराफाती मैं बचपन
School
में
days
कभी नहीं
में,
रही.
college days
Never. I've been always a very good girl actually. अभी जाके मैं थोड़ी खुराफाती हुई. मतलब after growing up, but बचपन में I was very सीधा साधा. एक बार लाइफ में मैंने खाली बंक किया होगा लाइफ में. Otherwise never. Always obedient.
मैंने एक बार किया था, पकड़ा गई थी मैं. आज भी वो दिन याद है मुझे. Okay, तो secret talent पे थे हम.
हाँ, secret talent I think मेरा थोड़ा बहुत singing कर लेती हूँ मैं. और
हम्म।
थोड़ा बहुत पेंटिंग कर लेती हूँ, बस यही दो है.
तो
बट
है ना.
बाथरूम सिंगर.
Okay. What is the
Yeah.
strangest thing that you carry in your handbag?
Strangest thing.
Yes.
स्ट्रेंज तो कुछ भी नहीं है, सब कुछ जो भी काम की चीजें होती है वही सारी रहती है, मतलब. लेकिन कभी कभी क्या होता है कि बिल्स इतने जमा हो जाते हैं, वो सारे स्ट्रेंज लगने लगते हैं कि मतलब साफ कर लो भैया.
Okay.
या
हाँ, वो तो है. Okay. What is your favorite cheesy movie?
चीजी मूवी क्या होती है? आई थिंक
Uh,
सूर्यवंशी. इट्स नॉट चीजी एक्चुअली. It's a very very lovely film. I love
हाँ,
it,
it's
but
beautiful.
because
It's
it's
beautiful.
it's इतनी बार आता है तो सबको लगता है it's
हाँ.
cheesy. So maybe
Okay.
Suryavansham. Yeah.
हाँ. अरे कौन सा तो चैनल है जिसपे वो आए दिन सोनी मैक्स.
Set Max,
नहीं.
Sony Max. हाँ.
सेट
Sony
सेट
Max पे
हाँ
ही.
हाँ भाई,
हाँ हाँ.
जब लगाते थे ना
जब
बचपन
लगाते
में,
हैं
जब
सूर्यवंशी.
Okay.
सूर्यवंशी.
What was the worst date you have been on?
The worst date. ये बताना जरूरी है क्या?
हाँ.
हाँ
हाँ
मतलब
प्लीज. ओ गॉड, अब तो हम इतने ये है, मतलब you
क्या
can
है?
talk about a lot of things.
Oh
मतलब
yeah.
lot of things you
No,
can talk about.
I have promised
मतलब
myself
अगर
that I'm gonna keep shut about my private life. I'm not talking about my private life at all.
बचपन में तो गए होगे ना किसी डेट पे, कोई तो डेट होगा जो बेकार गया होगा. जरूरी थोड़ी ना है कि इंडस्ट्री से हो या फिर बचपन
नहीं
में
नहीं,
हुआ
इंडस्ट्री की
हो.
बात नहीं. बचपन में मैं ऐसे ऐसा डेट पे. हाँ एक ऐसा, मतलब लेकिन वर्स्ट नहीं रहा है. आई मीन इट वाज वेरी गुड एक्चुअली बिकॉज ही वाज माय क्रश. एंड जब वो उन्होंने मुझे पूछा तो मुझे पता चला कि उनको भी मुझ पे क्रश है. सो इट वाज अ लवली टाइम आउट. दैट्स इट.
ओके ओके,
या.
छोड़ो, तो वर्स्ट के बारे में बात नहीं
हाँ,
करते, जब
वर्स
अच्छी
वर्स
बात
के
कर
बारे में
रहे
बात.
थे.
वर्स आई थिंक वर्स होगा जब कहीं लोकेशन में पहुंचने के बाद कुछ पोपट हो गया, कुछ हो गया तो लगता है कि हाँ, वो मैं क्यों बताऊं मेरा
I
मेरा पोपट हुआ है या किसी और का.
I have that question for you. I
यू हैव
have.
दैट क्वेश्चन. ओह अच्छा, ओके. माय गॉड.
What is your favorite app?
व्हाट इज माय फेवरेट
Favorite app?
ऐप? आई थिंक
Yes.
इंस्टाग्राम.
And least favorite app?
लीस्ट फेवरेट ऐप वुड बी. ना, मैंने ऐसे कोई रखा ही नहीं है जो मेरा लीस्ट फेवरेट हो. आई जस्ट हैव माय
जो मन,
फेवरेट्स
जो
ओनली.
यूज करने का मन नहीं करता हो, लगता हो कि क्या ही है बाबा, एक हेडेक ही है.
नथिंग. आई मीन ट्विटर
Okay.
ट्विटर में भी, बट उसमें काफी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती रहती है. इट्स
बहुत,
गुड इन
हाँ.
अ वे.
It's very
सो
informative. Yes.
हाँ, या.
Okay. What do you want God to say when you arrive at heaven?
What do I want God to say? God, I want that him to say that I am proud of you.
Nice. What would you advise your 15-year-old self?
I would advise that be yourself and be happy.
Okay.
That's the most
Okay.
important thing.
Okay. Does this mean that when you were 15, you were not being yourself?
I was myself, or I was always myself, but sometimes क्या होता है कि लोगों के कहने पे भी आप थोड़ा सा मतलब डिफरेंट होने की कोशिश करते हो. वो भी मैंने ट्राई किया था, लेकिन I realized that I cannot be that person, so I became myself
And
again. So
also
yeah.
that age is like that, I think, कि मतलब जब आप
Yeah,
देखते हो तो आपको
आप
लगता है कि
influence हो
काश मेरे
जाते हैं.
पास ऐसा, हाँ काश
Yeah,
मैं ऐसा
yeah,
होता. तो okay.
yeah.
Okay. If the whole world was listening,
Hmm.
what would you say?
If the whole world was listening, we will get through this. This
Okay.
too shall pass.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Denim or leather?
Denim.
Okay. What item you wouldn't leave your house without?
My phone and my wallet.
Okay. Okay. Mhm.
You
What
were
is your
expecting something
favorite?
else?
हाँ, क्योंकि ये फोन ना हमेशा आता है, फोन के बिना तो कोई नहीं निकलता, मतलब कुछ तो
तो और क्या हो सकता है?
and then you were like wallet. I was like, okay, चलो अब और disturb नहीं करती हूँ.
हाँ,
Okay, what is your favorite, yeah, most favorite or most used emoji?
I think a heart and a kiss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is that one male actor you wish to work with?
Male actor I wish to work with.
Yeah.
I think I want to. There are so many. I mean, luckily, I've worked with so many brilliant actors, honestly, by God's grace.
Hmm.
But definitely Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan. These are like a to-do list. I mean, I want to work with them. I think every actor who ever come here in Bombay to Bombay, they want to work with these superstars. So definitely,
Yes.
that's my dream. Yeah.
Okay. What beauty product you cannot live without?
I think my sunscreen. That's something which I cannot live without.
Okay. Okay. What is that one food that you can eat forever?
One food that I can eat forever.
Yes.
माँ के हाथ का खाना. That
हाँ, तो
be it.
one food.
I
One
think
food.
dal, chawal, and aloo ki sabzi and raita.
Okay.
Yeah.
पूरा
Ah,
खाना बना
yeah.
लिया आपने.
तो वो पूरा हुआ ना, वो पूरा एकदम वो cuisine वो पूरा है, मतलब वो उसके
हाँ, क्योंकि
बगैर
सिर्फ
अधूरा है.
चावल तो खाएगा नहीं.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Okay. What is
हाँ.
the most embarrassing thing that has happened to you on set?
The most embarrassing thing that had happened is I think when I forgot my lines and I kept forgetting it, and I couldn't learn it, and it was so
And you were
embarrassing.
shooting
And
for?
because of this was Chandrakanta, I think.
Okay.
And because the lines were so difficult, I mean, I never had issues with any other shows but Chandrakanta. I mean, the lines used to be so difficult in Hindi, that too, like proper Hindi, and huge lines. तो उसमें मुझे थोड़ा सा दिक्कत आया था, और उस एम्बैरेसिंग की वजह से क्या होता है कि इंसान उस चक्कर में और भूलने लगता है. तो एक दिन मुझे याद है जब मुझे और ऑन द स्पॉट डायलॉग्स आए थे, तो मुझे मेरी हालत खराब हो गई थी. आई वाज वेरी एम्बैरेस्ड.
Okay. Okay. What would you do if you got stood up on a date? आ गया आपका question.
Oh God, shit. I mean, I think I'm gonna be embarrassed. That's what is called embarrassment. मैं कुछ नहीं, चाय पीऊंगी या खाना, जो मेरा अगर भूख लग रही है खाना खाऊंगी और चलती बनूंगी फिर.
और उस मतलब जिसने खड़ा कर मतलब बैठा के छोड़ दिया उसको कुछ नहीं करेंगे आप?
मैं उसको अगर फोन करूंगी तो वो मेरे लिए और बड़ी एम्बैरेसमेंट होगी. सच है, मैं उसको मैसेज कर दूंगी, गो टू हेल, एंड दैट्स इट, ओवर.
See, this is better. I like
या
this answer. There has to be something at least.
हाँ,
Okay.
मतलब कुछ तो
What
होना
turns you
चाहिए.
on?
What turns me on?
Yeah.
A good
Fragrance.
I think sense of humor, a nice sense of humor, and a nice
And what turns you
perfume,
off?
maybe.
And
What
what turns
turns
you
me
off?
off is dirty nails and dirty nails. सबसे पहले मैं नए nails ही देखती हूँ क्योंकि
Okay. Next time when I come in front of you, I'll be like, पहले साफ है
सामने
तो भी
ले
साफ
सामने
करना
में. हाँ, मतलब मैं खुद अपने नाखून खाती हूँ, बट somehow I just फिर भी क्लीन ही रहते हैं वो, मतलब. लेकिन कुछ किसी वो गंदे नेल्स रहते हैं ना, वो थोड़ा सा टर्न ऑफ
हाँ
होता है.
हाँ
And a
बहुत
bad
turn off होता है.
attitude. And a bad attitude.
Okay, okay. One crime, if you could commit one crime and get away with it, what would you do? What crime would that be?
I already committed a crime. Yeah, I don't want to repeat any more crime. I think that was not a crime though, but
Get away with it.
yeah,
Give
get
me
away with it.
something huge, like a murder.
Huge murder. Oh my God. फिर तो लोग मुझे सच्ची में बोलेंगे she's a psycho. Stay away from her. I won't even get a guy anymore. You cannot do that to me.
This is just a question कि मतलब अगर मेरे से भी तो कोई पूछ सकता है. मैंने बहुत लोगों से अभी हाल ही में ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है. किसी ने कहा है बैंक रॉबरी करना है, किसी ने कहा है कि बाहरी देश का मतलब international
That's a good
facility,
idea.
दूसरे
मुझे
country.
बैंक रॉबरी करना है. Bank robbery is a
I
good
gave
idea.
you that idea.
Yeah.
And then get
Life
arrested.
sorted. Yeah.
Okay.
Gayab.
Okay. Okay. So how was this session? You enjoy?
Oh, it was fun. It was, yeah, I had a great time.